Imagine earning money even while you sleep. That's the power of passive income, and Faceless YouTube channels offer a fantastic way to achieve it. These channels allow you to generate revenue without ever showing your face on camera. However, the road to YouTube success isn't without its bumps. Common pitfalls include burnout from trying to do everything yourself, choosing the wrong tools, and inconsistency in uploading schedules. The solution? Start by understanding your goals and limitations. Choose tools that simplify the process. Most importantly, create a sustainable content schedule you can stick with. Faceless YouTube channels are a powerful way to build a passive income stream. By understanding the potential pitfalls and implementing the right strategies, you can set yourself up for success. Let's demystify key YouTube metrics: CPM, RPM, watch time, and CTR. CPM is cost per thousand views, showing advertiser payment. Higher CPM means more revenue. RPM is your actual revenue per thousand views. Watch time shows viewer engagement. CTR measures thumbnail clicks. Understanding these metrics optimizes your content and revenue. YouTube automation involves streamlining and automating tasks like video creation, editing, and uploading. This approach frees up your time to focus on strategic aspects like channel growth and content strategy. Begin by identifying tasks you can automate without sacrificing quality. For instance, use online tools for keyword research or explore AI-powered scriptwriting software. As your channel grows and revenue increases, consider outsourcing tasks like video editing, thumbnail design, or even scriptwriting to freelancers. This allows you to scale your content production without feeling overwhelmed. Remember, the goal of automation is to work smarter, not harder. By starting small, understanding the tools available, and gradually outsourcing tasks as your channel grows, you can build a sustainable and profitable YouTube business. Building a successful faceless YouTube channel doesn't require expensive software. Plenty of free tools can empower you to create high-quality content and optimize your channel for growth. CapCut is a versatile video editing app with a user-friendly interface. It offers features like trimming, cutting, transitions, text overlays, and music integration. Filmora is another excellent free video editing software with a more comprehensive set of features than CapCut. It's ideal for creating more advanced edits and visual effects. Canva lets you design eye-catching thumbnails, channel art, and social media graphics. vidIQ provides valuable insights into your channel's performance, keyword research, and competitor analysis. ChatGPT assists with script writing, generating video ideas, and crafting engaging descriptions. Pexels and Pixabay offer high-quality royalty-free images and videos. These free tools equip you to create, edit, and grow your faceless YouTube channel without breaking the bank. Section 5. Niche Selection. Finding your profitable YouTube niche. Choosing the right niche is crucial for your channel's success. A niche represents a specific topic or category your content will focus on. It's essential to select a niche that aligns with your interests, has audience potential, and offers monetization opportunities. Avoid overly saturated niches where competition is fierce. Instead, consider micro-niches within larger categories. For example, instead of fitness, target yoga for seniors or home workouts for busy moms. Think long-term when selecting a niche. Choose a topic you're passionate about and can consistently create content around for months and even years to come. Thoroughly research potential niches, analyze competitor channels, and use keyword tools to assess search volume and competition. By carefully evaluating your options, you can identify a profitable niche that sets your channel up for success. Section 6. Unveiling the competition research and analyze for success. Understand your competition before creating content. Analyze successful channels for insights and inspiration. Use YouTube's popular tab to find trending videos. Focus on titles, thumbnails, and engagement metrics. Use tools like Social Blade for deeper analysis. Social Blade offers data on growth and earnings. Learn from the best. Adapt successful strategies to your content. Always strive for originality and unique value. Section 7. AI-powered content. Creation scripts and voiceovers made easy. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing content creation, offering powerful tools to streamline your workflow and enhance your videos. For script writing, ChatGPT can be your secret weapon. Provide it with a topic, keywords, and desired tone, and it can generate creative and engaging scripts for your videos. Remember to review and edit the output to ensure it aligns with your brand voice and messaging. For voiceovers, consider using AI-powered text-to-speech software like Clipchamp. Clipchamp offers a variety of natural-sounding voices and accents, allowing you to create professional-quality voiceovers without needing to hire a voice actor. By leveraging AI tools, you can automate and expedite the content creation process, freeing up your time to focus on other aspects of your channel's growth. Section 8. Crafting engaging videos, editing and sourcing footage. With your script and voiceover ready, it's time to bring your video to life through editing. CapCut, mentioned earlier, is an excellent free tool for this purpose. Import your voiceover, source relevant video clips or images, and begin assembling your video. CapCut offers a user-friendly interface with drag-and-drop functionality, making it easy to arrange your media files on the timeline. Use transitions to create smooth transitions between scenes, add text overlays to highlight key points or provide context, incorporate background music to set the mood and enhance the viewing experience. When sourcing footage, explore royalty-free stock footage websites like Pexels and Pixabay. These platforms offer a vast library of high-quality videos and images you can use in your content without worrying about copyright issues. Section 9. Thumbnails that pop and metrics that matter. A compelling thumbnail is crucial for attracting viewers to your videos. Think of it as your video's first impression. Canva is a fantastic tool for creating eye-catching thumbnails. Use bright colors, bold fonts, and high-quality images that accurately represent your video's content. Keep your thumbnails consistent with your brand aesthetic to create a cohesive look for your channel. Remember, audience retention, click-through rate, and watch time are vital metrics that influence your video's visibility and earning potential. Create engaging content that keeps viewers hooked from start to finish. Encourage interaction through calls to action, asking viewers to like, comment, subscribe, and share your videos. Section 10. Your journey to YouTube automation. A recap and call to action. Let's recap the key steps to launching your faceless YouTube automation journey. 1. Choose a niche. 2. Research competitors. 3. Utilize free tools. 4. Create high-quality content. 5. Optimize for growth. Promote your channel and interact with your audience. YouTube automation allows you to build a passive income stream. With dedication and consistency, you can achieve your YouTube goals. Start your YouTube automation adventure today.